dear students. How are you? I hope you all are good. Today is your English class and today we are going to learn new words which is starting from K and L. K and L. Okay, take out your book and go with page number 24. And there are some pictures which is starting from K letter. Okay, so see first picture. King. Yes, K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. Next, kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Next, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Next, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Next, key. K-E-Y, key. K-E-Y, key. Next, kingfisher. K-I-N-G, king. F-I-S-H-E-R, fisher. King, fisher. Next, kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Kid. K-I-D, kid. Knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Next, koala. K-O-A-L-A, koala. K-O-A-L-A, koala. Knot. K-N-O-T, knot. K-N-O-T, knot. Now, turn the page. Now, next is a L letter. And there are some picture which is starting from L letter. So, see, first picture, lady. L-A-D-Y, lady. L-A-D-Y, lady. Ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. Lab. L-A-B, lab. L-A-B, lab. Lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Letters. L-E-T-T-U-C-E, letters. L-E-T-T-U-C-E, letters. Lake. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-M-B, lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Lips. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Lighthouse. L-I-G-H-T-H-O-U-S-E, lighthouse. L-I-G-H-T, light. H-O-U-S-E, house, lighthouse. Lead. L-I-D, lead. L-I-D, lead. So my dear kids, what will we do? We have to learn all those spelling of K and L letters word. Okay? So, today's class is over. We will meet in next class. Take care. Bye-bye.